Hello guys! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get this free character and rig it with AutoRig Pro. Then use MecaFace to rig the face, then combine the body and the face rig together as one rig. First go to Sketchfab and search for Stickman. There's a lot of Stickman models there. Now download it as GLB. So now here you're in Blender. Go to Far Import and choose the GRTF 2.0. Now look at you here, you have your file. Double click on it and select it. So here go to the scene filter and select everything and left all the empties. You're going to delete all the empties. First you have to unparent it. First press Alt press P. Then create and keep transformation. Now go to your scene filter and filter by empty and press S to delete everything. Yeah, you are going to keep only this guys. Delete this guys. So here we have our character to be aligning the y-axis. Select everything with Alt plus G to align it to the center of our origin. Press Alt plus E and let apply the scale. So now press N to bring a sign bar. So now you're going to read the character. Go to the AutoRig and here's our AutoRig. Make sure you have the add on enable first. Let's hide this guys, cause we're going to rig character first. Go to the Smart and select your character. And click on Get Selected Objects. I'm going to read the full body, so on full body selected, click on Again. Add neck, chin, and spine roots and the ankles. So here our point has been aligned very well. We have the spine count. The spine count, because of this character, is a stickment. Let your spine count to be 3. And the fingers is, we have only 2 fingers here. So turn the fingers to 2. Now after you're done, click on the Go button. Nice! So here we have to do some later adjustments, like the neck. So like this, and let's pull it on y-axis small like this. And the neck too. We have to make sure that this has me on our neck. So now I am done, so click on March to rig. Our Rigi has been generated. Go to the Object Properties and just click on In Front. You want to scale this. Click on Edit Shape and it's open to edit mode. And press S to scale it, then apply the shape. So now, when you're done with what you're doing, go to Object Mode and press A to select everything and select your rig last. Go to the skin and just click on Bind. Now let's see. Now it is bind to our character. If you see some error like this yet, you see. So to first reset the controls. To reset everything, select your character. Press Tab to go to Edit Mode to search everything. Then press N. Then merge by distance. Select everything again. Then bind it again. And now it has been SUC that nice. Press Alt+H to unhide everything. So now let's see how you can attach this to the body. Select the objects on your body and Shift+click your rig. Press Ctrl+P and make sure you choose with envelope width. Now you see, you go to the modified property. We have this amateur modified, has been added to the bullet shirt. Add modifier, and then click on Data Transfer, and put it on top of the amateur with a sauce. And pick your body, your character body. Check the vertex data. And then click on Apply. Now you see. Let's move this one too. Let me see, this is very cool. So now let's see how we can make the face. The MecaFace from MegaBricks. Search your character head, let's hide it there. Then click on Add Face Rig to select it. Now you see it has been added, but it has flipped to here. So you have to align it. Let's rotate it on X-axis 180 degrees. So then you go to pose mode. You can control your character mouth like this. To reset everything, press Alt+G and R. And if you get something like this, just go to here the Object Data property and go to Post Library. Click on the base. Now you see we now get our default shape like this. Now let's unhide our rig. So now let's see how we can attach this face rig to our AutoRig. Because when you go to post mode and you move your character, you see that it's not moving with our MecaFace. You see like this, you can move it with this one control. So to solve it, let go to Object Mode and select your face rig and select the body rig last. Then go to Post Mode. Select only the head.xc only this one, and press on Ctrl+P. Then select bone. Now you see that it has been disappear. So to fix this, don't click anywhere, just click on this Make Parent and click on Keep Transform. Now you see that it has number to our character face. Now we can control the head. Now you can control all of them together. So now to change the color of your face rig, go to the colors and how the eyebrows. You can change the color of the eyebrow. Just click on the apply, and you see it has been changed. Now for the eyes. I don't know why if you try to apply it, you did an error like this. So to fix this one, we have some strategy you can use to fix it. Just add some cube or something like this. Go to the shading. Select the material and choose the eye material. And apply the eye color to this cube. Now you can change the eye color from this cube, and it will affect the eye. And this can change it from here. If you want to change the mouth color, you're gonna also do the same. Just simple. You can delete the cube, and you have your character. You can select both of the MecaFace and the body rig, and go to pose mode together. Now you can start posting if you got this. Just go to your post library and click on this. Please, if you find a tutorial helpful, please subscribe, like and comment for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. In next video, I'm going to do some animation with this rig. So make sure you stay tuned, and if you want this rig with the character, make you comment. I'll give you the link to download this character. Thank you again for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.